Welcome to All About Mars Space. In today's video, you're about to uncover a mind-blowing secret, one that's never been shown before, and something you've probably never even imagined. What you're about to witness could completely change your way of thinking, so make sure to watch till the very end, because the final truth will be revealed, a truth that may have been hidden for centuries. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. What if I told you that the most detailed, vivid, and stunning real images ever taken from the surface of an alien planet are available right now? No CGI, no simulation, just reality. This is Mars, captured in breathtaking Ultra HD 4K. What you're about to witness will forever change how you imagine the red planet. Because the Mars you thought you knew, it's nothing like what you're about to see. These are real photographs taken by three incredible robotic explorers: Spirit, Opportunity, and Curiosity. They weren't just machines, they were pioneers. Their cameras, once at the forefront of space imaging technology, now reveal a Mars that feels alive, raw, textured, desolate, and stunning. Mars is a fascinating world filled with mysteries, especially when it comes to its rocks. These rocks tell the story of the planet's volcanic past, dust storms, and ancient rivers. Some of them are rough or sharp, which is important for scientists to study, especially when planning future human missions. Certain rocks also contain Martian dust that helps us understand the environment better. Others give clues about radiation and how we can safely build shelters on Mars. By studying these rocks closely, scientists are learning how to make future missions safe and successful. Each rock on Mars is a piece of history waiting to be explored. For the first time ever, these photographs have been restored, cleaned, and rendered in ultra-high-definition 4K. Letting you experience Mars as if you were standing on its surface yourself. The names you'll hear, like Glen Torridon, Vera Rubin Ridge, and Namib Dune, aren't from a sci-fi novel. They're actual, informal site names given by NASA teams to help map and explore this alien landscape. This isn't just a video. It's a portal, and it opens into a world few have truly seen. The reason we don't have HD videos from Mars isn't secrecy, it's physics. Mars is incredibly far away, ranging from 74 to 400 million kilometers from Earth. That's like trying to stream Netflix over a walkie-talkie from another planet. Even though rovers like Curiosity are equipped with sophisticated cameras, they transmit data at painfully slow speeds. Just 32 kilobits per second directly. Faster relays like the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter help boost that to 3 megabits, but only for around 8 minutes each Martian day. That's why NASA prioritizes images over video. Still photographs require far less bandwidth and often capture more meaningful data. Each photo sent from Mars is like a puzzle piece, dusty, distant, and isolated. But when aligned, color-corrected, and stitched into seamless mosaics, the result is something magical. These aren't animations. This is real Mars, reassembled from thousands of photographs into slow, cinematic panoramas. No stretching, no digital zoom, just pure, authentic Martian terrain brought to life with motion and depth. Some of these mosaics are so detailed that you can zoom in and still see individual grains of sand or the faint tread of a rover's wheel. Between November 27 and December 2019, the Curiosity rover captured the largest image ever assembled on Mars. Over 1,000 photos combined to create a 1.8 billion pixel panorama. To print it at full resolution, you'd need a canvas the size of a football field. Every pixel tells a story, untouched, unfiltered, and real. This incredible mosaic was taken at Glen Torridon, an area rich in clay, a vital clue that points to the presence of ancient water. Billions of years ago, this could have been a lake bed, shielded from cosmic radiation, possibly even suitable for microbial life. Look up. Sometimes the Martian sky is a dusty red. Other times, it's a soft blue hue. So which is correct? Mars has a thin atmosphere, made mostly of carbon dioxide and dust. During the day, the fine particles scatter sunlight into a beige-orange tint. But at sunrise and sunset, the sky around the sun glows blue, the opposite of what we see on Earth. In many images, NASA applies a technique called white balancing to show how rocks would look under Earth-like lighting. These aren't fake colors. They're tools to help scientists better analyze the geology. The rovers, not just robots, but heroes. Spirit and opportunity weren't just machines. They became symbols of human resilience. Spirit landed in Gusev Crater and climbed through hills, discovering traces of ancient water and even signs of geothermal activity. She lost mobility, but continued sending data until 2023. Opportunity touched down on the other side of the planet, in Meridiani Planum, and went far beyond expectations, traveling over 45 kilometers, breaking records, and discovering undeniable signs that Mars once had liquid water. When a planet-wide dust storm silenced her in 2018, the team tried everything to reconnect. Her final, unofficial words became iconic. "My battery is low, and it's getting dark." In 2021, a new explorer joined the mission, a tiny drone named Ingenuity. Flying in Mars' thin atmosphere was once thought impossible. But this 1.8 kilogram helicopter proved otherwise, spinning its blades at 2,400 RPM and becoming the first aircraft to fly on another planet. Ingenuity wasn't just a proof of concept. She scouted dangerous terrain, mapped ahead for perseverance, and opened the door for future aerial missions to cliffs, caves, and places rovers may never reach. This is only the beginning. If we can fly on Mars, what's stopping us from hovering over Venus or gliding through the methane clouds of Titan? The possibilities are endless, and it all started with a few brave rovers and a tiny helicopter. So, as you sit here on Earth, watching real footage from the surface of another planet, ask yourself, did you ever imagine Mars could look like this? These are not CGI graphics. These are images sent back from explorers we built. Machines that landed, roved, and revealed the face of another world. We've only scratched the surface of Mars. Its secrets lie buried beneath dust, encoded in rocks, and whispered in the wind. But with every image, we get closer to answering a question that echoes through time. Are we alone, or are we just early? Because the most powerful thing about these images isn't just what they show. It's what they make possible. And if this journey inspired you, wait until you see what's next.